Access the platform lottery directly from your dashboard, a feature designed to drive engagement, reward participation, and strengthen the paid forward ecosystem. This isn't just about winning, it's about circulating value across the entire platform. Click the lottery link to begin. How it works. Turn participation into opportunity. Using PIF tokens, users enter a system where every play fuels the ecosystem and every win gives back. Built on a 20% pay it forward return model, this drives circulation, growth, and shared success, not extraction. Scroll down to the bottom and purchase tickets directly within the platform to participate. Users can also view past winners, track lottery performance, and access full transparency through lottery history. Click View Lottery History. Explore the complete history of the platform lottery, including past draws, winners, and distribution data. Every outcome is recorded, visible, and verifiable, ensuring trust across the ecosystem. All past winners are publicly displayed here, with the ability to explore historical results back to the beginning. For active participants, all ticket activity is tracked on-chain, ensuring full transparency and accountability. Return to your dashboard to view your transactions. Locate your active lottery entries within your dashboard to view full transaction details in real time. Every entry is securely recorded and easily accessible. Each ticket purchase includes a detailed receipt with direct access to your on-chain transaction record. Click your external link and you can independently confirm activity, ensuring maximum transparency at every level. Even the smallest transactions are held to the highest standard of trust on thebenefactor.net.